Welcome to our comprehensive review video showcasing checkmark the best 10 built-in dishwashers. If you're on the hunt for a reliable and efficient dishwasher, you're in the right place. We've meticulously evaluated the top 10 models to guide you in making the best choice. Let's delve into the specifics. Number 1. Honeywell 18 inches dishwasher. The Honeywell 18 inches dishwasher is a stellar choice, offering 8 place settings, 6 washing programs, and a stainless steel tub. It strikes a balance between functionality and style. Pros include energy efficiency and a durable construction. On the flip side, it may not be ideal for larger households. Pros: energy efficient, durable stainless steel tub. Cons: not suitable for larger households. Number 2. Edgar BIDW1802SS built-in dishwasher. The Edgar BIDW1802SS is a standout with 8 place settings and 6 washing programs, housed in an elegant stainless steel design. It operates quietly and ensures efficient cleaning. However, it comes at a slightly higher price point. Pros: quiet operation, efficient cleaning. Cons: slightly higher price. Number 3. SPT South Dakota 9254SS 18 inches built-in dishwasher. The SPT-SD 9254SS is feature-rich, boasting heated drying, Energy Star certification, and 6 wash programs. With an 8 place setting capacity, it offers convenience and efficiency. Pros: heated drying, Energy Star certified. Cons: may have limited wash programs for some user. Number 4. Avanti DW1802SS 24-inch dishwasher. The Avanti DW1802SS, with its 24-inch built-in design, presents 3 wash options and automatic cycles. Constructed with stainless steel, it incorporates electronic controls and boasts a low noise rating. While it offers versatility, some users might find its noise level a bit higher. Pros: versatile wash options, stainless steel construction. Cons: higher noise rating. Number 5. Samsung Smart 44 dBA dishwasher. The Samsung Smart 44 dBA dishwasher is a technological marvel with Storm Wash Plus, auto-release door, and 3 dish racks. It operates quietly, features a pre-blast cycle, and is Energy Star certified. However, the premium features come at a higher price point. Pros: technologically advanced features, quiet operation. Cons: higher price. Number 6. Midea MDF11801AST built-in dishwasher. Midea MDF11801AST boasts an impressive 4.9 out of 5 stars. With 8 place settings, 6 washing programs, and a stainless steel tub, it excels in both performance and durability. Its heated dry feature is a bonus for efficient drying. Pros: high user ratings, heated dry feature. Cons: none reported. Number 7. Midea MDF11801ABB built-in dishwasher. Midea MDF11801ABB offers a sleek black design with 8 place settings, 6 washing programs, and a stainless steel tub. Energy Star certified, it combines style with efficiency. Users appreciate its performance, but some may prefer a different color option. Pros. Stylish black design. Energy Star certified. Cons. Limited color options. Number 8. Midea MDF11801AWW built-in dishwasher. Midea MDF11801AWW provides 8 place settings, 6 washing programs, and a stainless steel tub in a classic white design. Its heated dry feature adds value, but some users may find it lacks advanced features compared to other models. Pros. Classic white design. Heated dry feature. Cons. Fewer advanced features. Number 9. Frigidaire 18 inches ADA compact dishwasher. The Frigidaire 18 inches ADA compact dishwasher, designed for accessibility, offers front control, dual spray arms, and a 52 dBA noise level. While it's ADA compliant, it comes at a higher price point. Pros. ADA compliant design, front control. Cons. Higher price. Number 10 to 2020 Dish Nanny, Black Easy Assist Slide. The 2020 Dish Nanny impresses with its Black Easy Assist slide design. While details about its specifications are limited, its sleek appearance makes it a notable consideration. Pros. Sleek design. Cons. Limited information available.